High blood pressure. Are there any symptoms? Blood pressure is the force of the blood against the walls of the arteries as it goes around a person's body. Sometimes it can become too high, which can be dangerous. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), roughly 1 out of 3 adults in the United States have high blood pressure or hypertension. In this video, we explore the myths surrounding high blood pressure symptoms. We also discuss when to see a doctor and how to manage hypertension. Are there symptoms? Most of the time, high blood pressure has no symptoms. It is known as the silent killer. Symptoms people may think are due to high blood pressure include headaches, difficulty sleeping, nosebleeds, sweating, facial flushing, nervousness, blood spots in the eyes, dizziness. However, these symptoms may not be due to high blood pressure, and anyone experiencing them should speak to a doctor, as they may also be signs of other health conditions or side effects of medications. People cannot rely on only physical symptoms to alert them of high blood pressure. To diagnose or monitor hypertension, a person should measure their blood pressure regularly. A person can measure their blood pressure at home. Blood pressure readings are in millimeters of mercury. The top number, systolic, indicates the pressure in the arteries as the heart beats. The lower number, diastolic, indicates the pressure as the heart rests between beats. As long as a person measures their blood pressure correctly, the results are just as reliable as a doctor's measurement. The table, which is shown in the screen from the American Heart Association, shows the classification of high blood pressure in adults. Systolic blood pressure, normal blood pressure less than 120 millimeters of mercury. Elevated blood pressure 120 to 129 millimeters of mercury. Stage 1 hypertension 130 to 139 millimeters of mercury. Stage 2 hypertension 140 millimeters of mercury or higher. Hypertensive crisis 180 millimeters of mercury or higher. Diastolic blood pressure, normal blood pressure less than 80 millimeters of mercury. Elevated blood pressure less than 80 millimeters of mercury. Stage 1 hypertension 80 to 89 millimeters of mercury. Stage 2 hypertension 90 millimeters of mercury or higher. Hypertensive crisis 120 millimeters of mercury or higher. Complications. Researchers have shown a clear relationship between higher systolic and diastolic blood pressure and increased risk of cardiovascular disease. In an analysis of 61 studies, researchers found that a 20 millimeters of mercury higher systolic and a 10 millimeters of mercury higher diastolic blood pressure are each associated with a doubling of the risk of stroke, heart disease, other vascular diseases. Another study, including 1.25 million participants, showed that higher blood pressure had associations with increased risk of cardiovascular disease incidence, angina, heart attack, heart failure, stroke, peripheral arterial disease, abdominal aortic aneurysm. Prevention. Since there is a strong connection between environmental factors and blood pressure, healthcare professionals have been promoting hypertension prevention. The American Heart Association recommend eating a healthful diet low in salt, limiting alcohol intake, enjoying regular physical activity, managing stress, maintaining a healthy weight, quitting tobacco smoking. A healthful diet for the heart consists of eating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, low fat dairy products, skinless poultry and fish, nuts and legumes, non tropical vegetable oils. People who follow a healthful diet to prevent hypertension and cardiovascular disease should also avoid or limit saturated and trans fats, sodium, red meat, sweets and sugar sweetened beverages. People who eat well, stop smoking, lower their stress, and exercise regularly may see benefits in their general health. When to see a doctor? Although high blood pressure does not usually cause symptoms, anyone experiencing a sudden severe headache or nosebleed should check their blood pressure. If their blood pressure is above 180 by 120 millimeters of mercury, they should stay rested for 5 minutes and recheck their blood pressure. If the blood pressure is still higher than 180 by 120 millimeters of mercury, they need to seek medical help at their doctor's office. If a person is experiencing severe symptoms such as chest pain, shortness of breath, or visual difficulty, they need to seek emergency medical treatment as they may be experiencing a hypertensive crisis. Medications to reduce blood pressure can cause side effects such as dizziness. If this side effect does not go away or affects a person's daily activities, they should speak with their family doctor.